Good YouTube. Have you ever wanted to log out of your account on WhatsApp but didn't know how? Well, thankfully, there's been a new logout feature that's been recently added onto WhatsApp, and it's pretty easy to get into. So, the first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down on the list of available categories of settings, and what you want to look for is actually account. Then from there, what you want to do is hit account. From there, if you scroll to the very bottom of account, you'll see that there's a new logout button. And then this logout button is in red here, as you can see. Once you hit logout, you'll be taken to the logout page. And then from there, you can do a few things, but you will want to look for logout again at the bottom there. And you can also log out there with the final tap. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to log out of your WhatsApp account on your phone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.